Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on North Cross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2019 F-150 LARIAT in magnetic with black leather interior, seating for 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 3-liter V6 diesel engine. It's a 4x4, and it also has the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, trailer tow package with an integrated trailer brake controller, the LARIAT Sport package, which has the magnetic colored grille as well as the center console, and you also have the technology package, which has a 360 split view camera. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. In the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. There's also memory for 3 drivers. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have an electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, power tilt and telescoping steering wheel, and a grab handle makes it easier to get in. On the face of your steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start button. On your dash, any important messages will appear, and you also have a menu that you can toggle through. So we're going to go through from left to right: My View, Trip Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Off-Road, Settings, and these all have submenus. In the center, you're seeing the B&O badging for your audio system, as well as a little bin to put items. You have hill descent, traction control, hazard lights. There's your 360 split view camera view. You just press through for the different views, and this helps you when you're towing or just need to see behind you. And this is when you put the vehicle in reverse, where you're going to also see your backup camera view. There you go. You have auto stop start for less idle time, and you can go into your sources just by touching the screen: AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. And then you have your navigation with your map that'll come up. So when you want to find your destination, you can use that. In your settings, you can slide through for different options, things like automatic updates, Apple CarPlay, change the screen display, and so forth. Your volume and tuners located there, and below is your dual climate control for the comfort of driver and passenger, as well as heated and cooled seats for driver and passenger. There's your fan, AC, max AC, front and rear defrost. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. In your cubby in the center, a couple of USB outlets, and you just press in the center and it'll close right up. You have an automatic select shifter and drive mode. When you press on that, you'll see it appear on your dash: normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. You have a couple of cup holders, and you're seeing the rings in the bottom. That's your ambient lighting. And then in the center here, that's the key for your armrest that locks, a little bin. Take that out. You've got a 12-volt down below and lots of room to put items. Then you just close that up. You've got a 12-volt and a 110 off to the side, locking glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming, rear view mirror. There's your lighting controls, sunglass holder. You also have a power sliding back window, so that's what that powers. Universal garage door opener, and you have a twin panel moonroof. So actually, when you press this, it'll slide it and open it for you, and you can also slide across the screen, so if it's just too bright, you can close it up. There's a grab handle in the body, and that just makes it easier for your passenger to get in. Mud flaps, power deployed running boards, body colored door handle with intelligent access, so when you have your key fob in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. And you also have a keyless entry keypad, driver's side fuel cap, and in the back, the body colored handle extends to the tailgate. One of your cameras is below that handle, and your tailgate is lockable and removable. You also have backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, and trailer hitch, as well as a locking spare tire. And then when you want to open up that tailgate, all you have to do is double click your fob. It powers it down for you. Got a nicely lined box with tie downs in all 4 corners, and you also have box link, and there's a tailgate step, and that just makes it easier to get in and out of. And then when you're ready, close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have a remote speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Easily pull the tab and then lift the seat up. You've got more room on the floor. To bring it back down, simply pull the tab again and push. At the base, there's anchors to be able to tether baby seats, and in the center, there's an armrest with a couple of cup holders. On the floor, there's carpeted mats, and it also comes with an all-weather mat that runs from one end to the other for easy cleanup. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center, a couple of cup holders, 12-volt, 110, and USB outlets, as well as air vents. And you're seeing those little red seats, and that's the heated seats in the rear here. There's a grab handle in the body. Up above, hooks and lighting, that panoramic view, and in the back, access to a power sliding window. Bumpers, Mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, automatic high beams, LED headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.